It's good to be with you. Welcome to Class Outside. Today, we are going to learn how to simplify PBR material setup in Blender. For this process, we will need a textured 3D model. I will be demonstrating with this model of a bell mushroom, available on Sketchfab. We will need image files for metallic, smoothness, and ambient occlusion maps. In this demonstration, I will use the software tool named Materialize to do this. A link to this tool is also provided in the description below. And we will need the PBR importer add-on, which is available on GitHub, also linked below. First, let's download and import our 3D model. Then let's save our Blender scene. The folder the scene is saved in is important to help the add-on find the relevant PBR image files. Now, let's save our diffuse map. You can do this by opening the image editor and finding the image that goes with the model. Then selecting image and save. Save it to a folder named Materials in the same directory as your Blender project. Next, a normal map can be created manually with the Materialize program, or generated if we are creating a lower poly model. I have another video linked below that describes a tool to assist with this process. Let's open Materialize and create our image maps. I have linked another video in the description that goes further into detail on using the Materialize program. We start by importing our diffuse map. Then, creating a height map. This provides information Materialize uses to create some of our other maps. We can then proceed to create the normal, metallic, smoothness, and ambient occlusion maps. Let's select PNG as the export type and save the project to the materials folder. Great. Now with our images prepared, we can download and use the PBR importer add-on. Download this from GitHub. Unzip the folder, and in Blender go to Edit, Preferences, and select the Add-ons tab. Click the Install button. Locate and select the PBR importer file. Now make sure it is checked off in the Add-ons menu. With the add-on installed, we can open the shader editor. Select the material for our object. Select the principled BSDF node. Right-click and press the Import PBRs button. After a moment, new nodes should appear in the view. These may be stacked on each other. Blender has a built-in tool called Arrange Nodes. This add-on can be useful to spread out these nodes. Once spread out, we should now see the nodes plugged into their proper inputs on the principled BSDF shader. We also see some nodes in between. For example, Materialize outputs a smoothness map, and Blender expects a roughness map, which is the opposite. To resolve this, we can use the invert node to flip the smoothness values into roughness. These nodes can be adjusted to your visual liking. Look at that! Together, we have simplified importing PBRs using the PBR importer add-on. Please let me know down in the comments what you thought of this video. Have a great day, and thank you for attending Class Outside.